Yes, welcome to my channel. This is Skyward. I train people on how to make money online on affiliate marketing, and with my tutorial and my guide, you are going to be making thousands of dollars weekly. Follow my videos, watch my videos to see what I have for you.
Yes, good day everyone. I go by the name Skyward. If you can see this video, like this video, and if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, make money online from home is what everybody wants, and that's what everybody is working towards now. Yeah, because working 8 to 9 sometimes does not measure up to people that work from home. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you step-by-step method which I'm using to get results, which you can see on the screen. Yes, on a daily basis you get 500, 600, $700 on a daily basis, and on a weekly basis you can get thousands of dollars, like $4,000, $5,000, depending on how your commissions are and how many sales you make. Yes, as an affiliate marketer, there are things to consider for you to become a successful affiliate marketer. As you all know, that affiliate marketing is just selling a product for a company and getting commission for each product to sell. And in that case, which means we have product, we have the product, we have the buyer, we have the we have the product, we have the buyer, we have the seller there. And anytime we have these three components, we should know that we need marketing. Yes, and in marketing we need to get our product to the right audience so that they can purchase and buy what we are selling. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step method which I'll be using to get sales, like the one you can see on the screen. Yeah, this is the account of one of my students. I got my software and video course. Yeah, he got it on the 5th of July and it started on the 6th of July, as you can see on the screen. This is the excellent results. So as an affiliate marketer, I'm also a software developer, because over the years when I have issue with affiliate marketing, I've developed several software that can that can help me generate sales and traffic to my affiliate platform for me to get commission and great sales. So due to that, I've developed several softwares, and I came up with this software which I've been using over the time now. Yes, my software works by gathering organic traffics online, targeted traffics online, and promoting your affiliate link and product to these targeted traffics for you to get commission. Yes, targeted traffic, I mean people that need your service and product. Yes, in my video course, I'm going to be giving you the video course. You will see how you can generate targeted traffic for some particular products. Yes, there are some products that are known to be mostly used in some particular location and by some individuals, and there's a way by which you can get the targeted audience for you to get the right buyer for, or for you to get buyer for any of your affiliate products. Yes, so my software works by gathering targeted audience and traffics online and promoting your affiliate product with these targeted traffics for you to get commission daily. Yes, in my software you're going to be having access to daily from any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, because my software works with all affiliate marketing platform, even Shopify, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, any affiliate marketing platform, and not only ClickBank. So you're going to be having access to targeted traffic for any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, and by this you can always contact me on my Gmail as skyward@gmail.com to get my software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, my video course contains step-by-step method and the steps by which you will go about it, from setting up the software to getting an account. Yes, if you have a decision in opening an account, if you are going to be my student, I'm going to be opening an account for you on ClickBank. Yes, and you can use my software on any affiliate marketing platform. So you can always contact me on my Gmail as skyward.71@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number you can see on the screen. Text on my Gmail as skyward.71@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number you can see on the screen now to get started for any from home. Yes, so making money from home is what everybody wants now, and it has been made easy because you watching this video is a 50% assurance that you are making money online already. And following the steps in this video, which is contacting me and getting me a software video course, is the second 50% of you getting the cash at hand and in your account. So remember, you can always contact me on my Gmail as skyward.71@gmail.com, or text on Telegram through the number you can see on the screen now to get my software video course and start earning on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, once again, I go by the name Skyward and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.